Wish I could find those bees. Driving me nuts. Books. If you know nothing or very little about solar power or hooking it up in a off-grid cabin, one of these books are going to be much more beneficial to you than the other one. So stay tuned, I'll tell you which one will help you out the most. Well, welcome back to another episode of Front Porch Fridays. So a few weeks ago, maybe a month or so ago now, I don't know, I told you about I done unboxing my solar stuff, and still hadn't got my panels, but I'm working on it. So okay, so I've got both these books and I've read them. Now this book is by Will Prowse or Prowse, or let me see, it's 89 pages, including, you know, that blank page. 89 pages. Ooh, that knocked it off. Okay, you can see the size difference. Size difference in them. This one is much thicker, and it has 283 pages, including the page here with the notes. So if I knew nothing about solar, which one would I choose? Well, it's kind of hard to decide, because I started doing, I think most of y'all do your research on YouTube, you know, you watch YouTube videos, and I've seen Will Prowse has a very good YouTube channel on solar power. He is, I'll say he's a geek on solar, but he covers everything from, you know, home installations, like this one, RV installations. Now, yeah, a lot of the RV applications can be used for off-grid cabins. They'll tick on me. So a lot of them can be, and he has an excellent YouTube channel. And most of my initial learning was watching his channels, and so when I seen his book, I knew he had a book, and so I went and bought it, and it's very good. But if I didn't know anything at all about solar, including the basics, or maybe if I just knew the basics and I want to learn more, I'd have to be honest and say this book is a better deal. And I got both these on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below to both of them on Amazon. If you decide to get one of them or both, like I did, if you go through my link, it won't cost you nothing extra, but it does help the channel out, and I appreciate it. Or if you buy anything off of Amazon, if you go through my link, doesn't cost you a penny. I get a small commission, a few cents off each purchase, and it just helps me keep the channel. This book goes in depth about on every aspect of solar for off-grid cabins. I mean, it goes from what tools you're going to need, you know, like safety glasses, drill bits, hose saw, hacksaw. I mean, it's what I would call almost overboard basic. Again, but it goes from the basics up to the more advanced of what you'll need to know to figure out the sizing of your system, you know, what kind of batteries. Both of these cover batteries very good. They cover what the difference in the solar panels are. They cover about solar chargers and all the little accessories you'll need. If I could have done my solar system just with Will's book, because I'd watched so many other videos, but if I was just starting out, not knowing, I would just get this book, because like I said, this one, basic formulas, AC and DC, the difference. It covers wiring, batteries, load types, basic circuitry, tools, equipment, Man, solar panels, I mean, there's a bunch on solar panels. Charge controllers, inverters. I mean, this book here really, it takes you from not knowing nothing to being able to install a complete solar system in your off-grid cabin. Will's book does kind of the same. I like Will's book. I'm glad I got both of them. I'd buy them again if I had to. Will's does have some. I think this book has better illustrations. I like both of them because both of them have lots of illustrations, and I need lots of illustrations. But Will's book would be, I think, better if you just had limited time. I already know a little something about electrical. I know a little something about solar. I've only got a weekend, and I need to get my solar system up and running. This would probably help. Of course, you have to know what all kinds of equipment and stuff to get before you can do that. But this is a quick, to me, a quick install guide, while this is in-depth, teaching you from knowing absolutely nothing to being able to install your own grid, your own solar power. So this you could use this to do your RV or your home or your off-grid cabin, as the name says. Most books I've got, when it says simplified, I run from them because they're anything but. Obviously, whoever wrote this says by cleversolarpower.com, and I'm not sponsored by either one of them, by the way. But I don't know if there's a name, but whoever wrote this is a geek too, probably an engineer, you know, because they're kind of like, well, let's start here. You need a Type 2 Phillips screwdriver, and you need this, you know, up to that whole. Oh, okay, really. You know, some people need that type of instruction, some don't. Like I said, either book would have got me a solar system, but I just felt that the Simplified Off-Grid Solar Power Simplified is a much better book for someone who knows absolutely nothing or very little about solar and is wanting to get a simple, basic solar setup at their off-grid cabin. Both of them will take you past that basic. Like I said, I have problems. I mean, after you see my book review on that sham books that, you know, over the salt curing meat processing book, it was very nice to see books like this that were really good, informative books. So I hope that's helped you. If you got any questions on either book, let me know. Like I said, Will's is basically, he touches on some of the basics. This book will touch on some of the basics. And really, like I said, you could probably take either book and install your own solar system if you follow their advice. I just think the simplified, yellow simplified book is a more in-depth, that takes a person from knowing nothing, absolutely nothing, to being able to install their solar system. So I hope that's helped. Like I said, if you got any questions, feel free to ask. Hopefully, like I said, I got plans to change this year for my cabin. So I hope that y'all stay tuned, because I ain't know where I'm going now. with you know, they just installed a power pole you've seen in several of my videos that I'm not connected to across my road. They just installed fiber optic cable down to there. I could get fiber optic cable, and it is so tempting, but I doubt it. So anyway, got any questions, ask them down below. I'll try to answer them. But if you need a basic solar system for your off-grid cabin and you're looking for some instructions, written instructions, see, I can do so much with YouTube, but I like to see it in print because a lot of times I'll reference back to it. And either one of these books are good, but I think you're probably better served with this one. So check them out. Follow the links in the description. And thank y'all for watching 1 Acre Homesteader, Donald. And I will catch you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.